BiBi and Tractor. Tractor is one of the main heavy vehicles. It helps building roads and does many things. Tractor can become a bulldozer, a digger, or it can be a tractor drill. A cat tractor is slower than a tractor on wheels, but it has more power and it don't get stuck in the mud. But even cat tractors break down. If we don't help this guy, he will be stuck here forever. We need some help quick. Let's go BiBi's workshop.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair, and all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Urgent matter? I'll be right there in a minute. Good! Now I can test my new Super Fixer 3000. Hey there, pal! Hold on! I'll get you out! How did you get in there?
And the tractor told BiBi how he was trying to pull out the stump.
Oh,
And how Caterpillar broke and one leg drowned in the mud.
I see.
If we don't help Tractor now, he will get stuck here for good. He can't move without the missing leg.
Looks like that stump stuck deep. Don't worry, buddy. We'll get you out. First, let's find your missing link with a metal detector. Hooray! We found it! Let's pull it out. Whoopsie! Looks like your rod is broken. It holds all the pieces together. We must find you a new one.
How about this one?
Oh, are you kidding? No way!
What about this?
No way! We're not bowing a tie.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one. Let's fix it. All right, buddy. Let's try and get you out of this puddle. Yes! Come on, come on! Whoa, now! Stop! You can't get out like that. We must winch you out using my Super Fixer 3000. It's a piece of cake for this monster. With a winch, you can pull yourself out without trouble. Don't worry, buddy. You'll be safe in a minute. All right, let's find it.
How about this?
That's a scoop. We could try scooping out all the water, but that will take too much time.
Is this a winch?
Nope, that's not a winch. It's a drill. All right, just what we need. Come on, let's fix it. Hooray, we did it. Now let's take a look at you. If you were stuck in the puddle all day, you'd be badly damaged. It's always better to work with a partner. A friend will always help. And working together is a lot of fun. Me and Super Fixer 3000 must go back to the workshop now. Please, be careful. See ya!
Together with Super Fixer 3000, BiBi helped his friend get out of puddle. He's safe and is back at work. When something bad happens, BiBi's friends can always count on him. Thanks, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Village Fair. It's village fair time. Our friend Trucky's getting ready to bring some delicious berries, fruits and veggies. Trucky doesn't want to be late. He must get there right on time. Woohoo! This city traffic sure is heavy. Look at all them traffic signs. So confusing. Hey, there's a workshop right up ahead. Better ask some help.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here, cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Meanwhile, BiBi was tidying up in his workshop. He likes it when all things are clean and neat.
Hey, pal. You need help? What happened?
And so Trucky told BiBi how he was on his way to the village fair and that he was afraid to be late. He said there were many traffic signs that confused him.
Oh,
He was lost in a big city.
I see. Don't worry. I've got an idea. We'll help you. Am I right, you guys? Here, I brought you something that will help you to find the way. So, let's see what options do we have.
Is this something we're looking for?
I'm not sure it's too accurate.
Maybe this map will help.
Yes, but then you need someone to tell you where to go.
What about this?
Woohoo! Alright, that's GPS. We should check if it's working. Great! And now, let's see if you can tell left from right.
Which way is this? Is this left?
Sure. It means you should turn left.
And this? That's right. Means you turn right.
Of course. And what way is this?
Hey, I know. It's forward.
That's right. Great job. Now you can use your GPS. You're ready to go.
Trucky said thanks and was on his way to the village fair.
Good luck, Trucky. Come see me on the way back if you have time.
Thanks to BiBi, Trucky came earlier than others. Now he knows how to use GPS and can find his way anywhere he goes.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi and the street sprinkler.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. Time to chill. The weather outside is beautiful. I think we should go hit the park. It's so dull to sit at home on a day like this. Whoop-a-doo-ba-doo.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Not everyone chills on Sunday though. The street sprinkler has to work. He needs to clean up the winter mess in front of the park. He came to the river to get some water. Okay, it's full now. Time to go to the center.
Oh, cool. Look guys, it's a street sprinkler. It's got sprinkles right up in the front. He uses them to wash the road. That is awesome. Oh no, looks like we're out of water. How weird.
It is weird. I thought we filled it to the max. Maybe the pump broke.
Well, we can check that. What happened? Let's see. Maybe there's no more water. Let's check. Huh? It's full. That's weird. I wonder why it doesn't flow. The pump is working. There's plenty of water. Do you guys know what's wrong?
Maybe the water's gone bad. Or the sprinkler's broke. Or is it the pump?
Let's check it. Come on, turn on the pump. Yeah, the pump is fine. Water is also good. It's clean, right from the river.
Then it must be the sprinklers.
Yep, let's check them out. But we must take them off first. There are spanners in the car. Let's get them and take off the sprinklers. That is easy. Ooh, this is a hard work. They're twisted so tight. But I think I got one. Oh, now I see. There are small fishes inside. They got there when we were getting water from the river. Poor guys. Don't worry, we'll save ya. There we go. Much better. Now let's twist off another one and get those guys out. I think we're all good. Let's put the sprinklers back. Phew! All done. Let's check it. Turn on the pump. Woohoo! Great! Now you can keep on working.
What should we do with the fishes?
Oh, what should we do?
We can fry these guys. Or we can let them go swim in that fountain. Or bring them back into the river.
Guys, what do you think we should do? I don't think we should fry them. They're way too small. They better grow up first. That's why we should let them go. Only we should put them back in the river. Will you help me, guys?
That is the right decision.
There. Go back to your families. And try to be more careful next time. Bye-bye.
And so this is how BiBi spent his weekend. He fixed the street sprinkler and saved little fishes. What do you guys do on weekends? leave comments, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.